friend. I'm standing here for explain four-stroke diesel engine. Before I explain four-stroke diesel engine, let me introduce myself. My name is Aditya Tegar Kurniawan Musnati. My cadet register number is 20.56.2004. Let's start for the material. First step is intake stroke. Intake stroke, the piston move from top dead center to bottom dead center, and in the intake valve is open and the exhaust valve is closed. Because the piston moves down, the air will be entered to cylinder and through intake valve. It's the compression stroke. The piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. Compress the air with very high pressure, and in the end from compression, the fuel will be automatically sprayed with a very high pressure and through very small hole. The intake valve and exhaust valve are closed. Next, the combustion stroke or power stroke. In the combustion stroke is make some explosion to push the piston from top dead center to bottom dead center to make some power, and the intake valve and exhaust valve are closed. Next, the exhaust valve. Exhaust stroke. The intake valve are closed and the piston move from bottom dead center to top dead center. Push the combustion gas to come out through exhaust valve. The intake valve are closed and the exhaust valve is open. That's all. Thank you and good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam